Hello, everyone. This is Kathy reading Chapter 24, Sleep and Source, from Me, Myself, and Us, Our Energies, Your Power. When you sleep, you are automatically with your source. Yay! During meditation, you are consciously being with them, just like being in a positive mood is conscious. You will knowingly move towards a happier path, following your guidance system. When you sleep is when your body repairs itself, a self-renewal segment at least once a day. Sleeping helps your stem cells recreate better functional, healthier tissues. Yes, that's why you need to sleep well. So before I go to sleep, I slow down by talking to myself and saying, "We had a great day today. I'm going to rest, clear my mind, and rejuvenate. And for the rest of my life, for right now, I don't have to worry about." The soul, our subconscious, our autonomic nervous system, or the universe keeps our hearts beating, and it also keeps us breathing, so don't even worry about that. Before you go to bed is also the perfect time to try to solve a dilemma, because your soul or your subconscious mind continues to keep working throughout your sleep time. Give your subconscious mind something wonderful to think about and work on while you're crashed. Perfect health, being whole and pure, and knowing that your whole body is being restored. Only positive sentence, words and emotions. Do not talk about your problems. Do not say the name of your ailment. That just brings back your fear and takes away from you the thinking of health, harmony, and well. Aches and problems, you inhibit the healing power of your subconscious mind. Don't talk about them at all. Don't talk about the things that you're afraid of either. Talk about the things that bring love and joy into your life. Fill your mind with all the good things. Be grateful and never satisfied. The world is constantly changing, and so should you. And then, everybody wakes up in the here and now. That very split second in the morning, everybody wakes up pretty much at the same level. A brand new start, my latest segment, an unfamiliar new dawn. Your mind has been calmed all night long, and now you're starting on a new slate, even if you went to bed with bad thoughts, fear, or stress. How long until you start branching away from the day that you're actually supposed to have? That fun, easy flowing day that progresses to whatever you focus on. If you could stay in that little happy place for a little bit of time in the morning, more and more each day, imagine what a couple of days would feel like. What about a week? A month? A year? Thank you so much. And I look forward to talking to you next week.